guys, thank you so much for 500 subs. So I'm back with QA answers. Without any further ado, let's get started. First comment. Christina says, what's your name? My full name is, but you can call me Sid. And next question, in which class are you? I'm in class 11th. In high school. Next question, Ria asks that what inspires you about art? Actually on YouTube CHC channel is most best, because I love his drawing and everything that he draws. But actually most of the things I learned myself, because basic things nobody teaches us. Me. You. I love all art channel, but CHC is most favorite of mine. Next question from Gold707YT asks what inspires me, India or America about art? I have already said CHC, but India, then my answer is Saurav Joshi art. Next question, what is my age? Age 16. Next question from Timmy's Craft asks about where I'm from. I'm from India. Next question, who is your bias from BTS and Blackpink? BTS, if you said why, then you have to see this.
저희 네, 이거 좀 남겨뒀다. 저희 양들한테 좀 나눠주려고. 양들. 와, 와, 와. 아, 하늘 진짜 이쁘다.
자연스럽다. 자연스러웠어. 야, 하늘 좀 보다 일어나라.
And Blackpink Lisa. Next question, are you a Muslim? No, I am not a Muslim. Next question, how many siblings do I have? Brother. Next question from Jack asks, do you have friends? Yeah. And those friends are you. Next question, have you been traveling in foreign country? No, not yet, but soon with you guys. Next question by SPLZZZZZZZZZZZZZZZZ Stray Kids. Felix, god damn it, he is so adorable. Next question from Labrador asks about, do you like dogs? Is this a question? Heck yeah, I love dogs so much. Next question, what is my favorite Korean drama actor? Obviously Lee Min-ho. And that's all, thanks for watching. And please make support like this. I love you.
사랑개.
하지도 마라.